You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster.
Alright, if you got that code, you already know you can't put it in gear or the gear selector's messed up. It's going to be a little gear selector right here, linkage, and it's going to go right there, as you can see in here. Let me get you a light. Right in there. It's going to sit on the transmission. Linkage. Right there. And we're going to put us a new grommet in there. It's a war slap out. Don't even got one in there no more. We'll push that little, and this is a little kit you'll get. Should be a little kit, and I'll show you. If you get the right size, it'll just snap right in. You snap it in from the bottom like that. Snaps right in, and it'll come with a little cover on it too. If you get the right one, I'll put a link to the part number. It's just an Amazon one. But then you're gonna, of course, just reverse the process. You're gonna put it back on. Sorry for the camera. You are wanting to take off these two little bracket pieces. They're gonna be two 10mm. All right, here we go. There's gonna be a 10mm here, one there, and one right there. I'll show you when I got it back on. But you're gonna want to take those off because that way you can have this up here at you. If not, the son of a gun's gonna be all the way up into here, and some of these lines don't move. They're real stiff. So I'm gonna set this linkage just back on there. Just all you're gonna do is just push that back on right there where it goes on the transmission, and then we're gonna bolt these bracket back up, and that's it for the repair. Here we go. Okay, all you gotta take out is this box. Got the two bolts right there, and under your lines of your throttle body right there. So you get your two bolts right here, just pulls out down there, take out the throttle body, and then this is how it's going to look when you put the new one on. See the new yellow and there, and I'm going to put the little white clip on there in just a second. It's got a brand new one there, and ain't going to go nowhere. So like I said, all you got to do is take the breather off, no big deal. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
I can see